Hello, welcome to this edition of Intelligent Video Today. I'm your host, Steve Vonderhaar. Join us on today's episode, Santosh Thota, CEO over at PersonalizAI. Welcome, Santosh.
Hey, hi Steve. Thanks for having me.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. You launched Personalized AI earlier this year. Tell us a little bit about your solution and how your platform helps individuals generate customized videos on a video messages on a large scale basis.
Sure. So I think in a traditional approach, usually people send bulk email, bulk SMS, bulk WhatsApp, where they write one piece of message, text message, and then they replace the person's name or company's name dynamically and send it in bulk. So how about doing the same thing with respect to video? Is what exactly personalized.ai is doing, where you give one video and give us the placeholder for the name, and we clone the voice from the same video and your lip movements, and we will be able to generate those personalized videos to kind of include the person's name inside the video itself, so that you can send it to hundreds and thousands with a click of a button.
That is so cool. So it's the height of personalization for a video message, but done on an automated basis. But you still have some manual elements to it. You can even go into using the platform to check the pronunciation of the name that is used for a given participant or a given target for that message to make sure. Tell us about the process of incorporating that manual capability into this automated platform.
Right. So I think it's all about configuring correctly, because at the first instant, it might not, give you the immediate results. So it's all depending on how you configure, because you need to give a specific time frames where that greeting word and name and then the generic message be in the place of the video. So once you give that, and then obviously in the output also, the voice, it should be seamless, which means that in the input video that you give, it should not have any background music, or only one spokesperson voice should be there. So once you follow them, I think the output will be seamless. So once you test the samples, then you can just click a generate all button, which will generate for all the contacts that you uploaded to the platform.
Got it. So it's a measure twice, cut once type of approach. Once you know that you got your find and replace perfectly accurate, then it's fully automated from there.
Correct.
Yeah. So,
Absolutely.
what type of customers do you think are going to be putting this solution to work? How are your customers going to use this solution to build business benefit?
Right. So typically, companies who are using email marketing and LinkedIn marketing automation tools like Apollo, Active Campaign, or Mailchimp, for example, there we are a perfect fit, where because they must be getting a click-through rate. CTR is about 2 to 3%, so that we can easily accelerate using the personalized video thumbnail. So once they see that, they tend to click on it. We take them to an interactive landing page where the video will start with addressing by name, so that's where people gets engaged, and then easily you can engage, educate, and then qualify the lead in the video process itself, and then you take them to your sales funnel, like booking an appointment right there itself. So we have already integration with all these calendar platforms as well, and email marketing automation platforms as well. So yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, so integration is key because we have so many marketing email applications already out there. Tell us about your philosophy towards that type of integration. Do you see yourself plugging into that existing email marketing infrastructure that's already established out there?
Absolutely, yeah. So that's our way to go to the market. So where people are already using all this, Mailchimp or Active Campaign kind of tool. So we already integration with the top 20 tools, like even including HubSpot, CRMs, etc. Where with just of a click of a copy option, you can copy a particular piece of code that you just have to copy paste there. It's just a 1 minute task for anyone, and that's it. The magic happens. So automatically the personalized video will be embedded, and then you start seeing the results on the email side. On the LinkedIn side, we have our own Chrome extension, which it's public and free. Anyone can download, and whenever you go to any person's LinkedIn profile, it'll pop up with a particular personalized link, so that you all you have to do is just copy paste. That's it.
That's
And
awesome.
and, and of course,
Go ahead.
yeah, we have integration with some other platforms also, like WhatsApp, Instagram, and coming soon the Twitter, so that we'll be kind of across all the possible social media platforms as well.
So integration across the board, particularly in the social media realm, just around the corner. So what is the business model then? How do people pay for this, and how much does it cost?
Yeah, so it'll start very basic, $49. So I mean, though we do have a free trial where people can just go and try. 60 credits will give. So each video will consume 2 credits. So 30 videos they can seamlessly test it before they actually purchase. So $49, it's a pure SaaS model. So you pay for use and then a monthly or yearly subscription. And if you go higher the plan, so $99 plan where you can create 1,000 videos, and digital marketing agencies where they run thousands of campaign, thousands of contacts that generate, they try to reach out to for all their customers. So we have agency plan specifically especially for them as well.
So when you're creating a video with these customized names, how much of a voice sample do you need for it to accurately mimic the speaker on the video?
So that's a beauty. I mean, that's where our differentiation also comes in. So we don't need hours or hours of data. It's just, even like 30 seconds or 1 minute is what we recommended. So even 1 minute video is quite good enough for us. So where we can able to clone the, voice accurately. So we've done that already for plenty of customers. So that's a decent enough. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you mentioned the word differentiation. There's a ton of companies out there that are taking different approaches to automated content creation. How do you see yourself differentiating yourself in this increasingly competitive market?
Yeah, yeah. So I think, as you rightly said, I mean, there's definitely a competition, and the technology is changing so rapidly, and now is the era of all Gen AI, and people are able to clone their AI avatars. So and then try to create content. But as I said, like it's we are talking about a B2B use case where people it's all about trust. So we still feel humanized campaigns would actually yield better results, but obviously one human cannot record all these videos manually, where only that name part, if you can able to focus and expert in pronunciation in all different accents, it could be American name or Indian name, because that itself is a big problem to solve. So we are very focused in niche, and that's where we want to expertise, and then that's where we want to differentiate with any other companies in the world.
So one thing I noticed that you're not really using digital avatars per se. There's a lot of companies out there who are trying to automatically generate the whole video, but you're starting with the core video of somebody actually talking into a camera. Talk to us about that process and why that approach is appropriate here.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So I think personally feel the digital avatar tech is not yet there, especially for Indian market or any Asian specific market. The technology is not yet there, and at the same time, people able to easily recognize whether it's AI generated or human driven, right? That's a whole point, right? We want to build the trust using video. That's where we want to showcase the face to face. That's where our core point of creating this product. So fundamentally, it differentiates itself that we don't want obviously AI to do everything, but we want human to be in the process of sales to build the trust and engage personally. But since there is a challenge of scale that they can't record manually, we are helping there exactly with a click of a button.
One of the key takeaways I have as I'm looking at personalized AI is that you're literally using AI in an applied basis. You're essentially going out and sprinkling in AI where it can really add value to the overall proposition. Where do you see AI going, though, for your product platform over time? Do you see it becoming a bigger and bigger role in terms of enabling new and enhanced features over time? Where's this AI stuff going to take us over the next couple of years?
Yeah, absolutely. I think definitely. So since we are right now focusing only on the names, but there are times where people need more than one dynamic variables, right? Especially like company names, or if an insurance company is using, so they want to say how much due renewal amount is spending. So those kind of dynamic parameters had to be added. So for which we will be kind of fine tuning our algorithm to make sure that yes, this works for not just for name but few other dynamic parameters, so that it gives the full power of full level of personalization for various industries and various use cases. So that's where we see that the AI technology is evolving.
So it's rather than creating the videos from whole cloth, it's just using it where it's most relevant for the marketing campaign.
Right, absolutely.
Santosh, Thota, thanks so much for taking the time to visit with us today. Very interested in your personalized AI application. Appreciate you taking the time.
A pleasure is mine, Steve. Thank you so much once again for having me.
And we thank you for stopping by to watch today's episode. If you want to get access to more insight from industry thought leaders like Santosh Thota, click on the YouTube channel link right down there and subscribe to the Intelligent Video Today channel. For Intelligent Research and Intelligent Video Today, I'm Steve Otterhar. Thanks for your time.